Everyone, I'm Meena from Krithi Car Care, and today we have a brand new Verna in for PPF. We are going to do a full body PPF on this white Verna and the rest of the area ceramic coating. Please do watch the entire video, to see the process of PPF, and also do reach out to us if in case you have any requirement on your car, like be it body shop work, mechanical repairs, wheel balancing alignment, tire care, PPFs, detailing work, as well as we have started with insurance. You can do reach out to us for any of your car requirements. Thank you.